welcome back to Mom and Me. Today we will be making one of our favorite recipes, banana bread. We're substituting cane sugar with date syrup. If you don't have date syrup, you can also grind dates and make your own date syrup. And date syrup also makes your cake really moist. You can also replace it for sugar, but of course it'll be less healthy and less moist. And we are also substituting butter with oil and milk. And walnuts to add. Okay, these are the ingredients. Whole wheat flour, milk, chopped walnuts, date syrup, egg, vegetable oil, lemon juice, salt, vanilla extract, baking soda, and 3 bananas. Here are the ratios of the ingredients. So let's talk about the bananas for a second. So whenever we get bananas and there are like 3 left and they're good, have a good ripeness, I make banana bread. It's really important to have your bananas ripe, and that makes it more delicious. And if you don't like lumps of bananas in your cake, this will help all the extra. Let's start with the dry ingredients now. Whole wheat flour, salt, and baking powder. So let's mix. With a whisk, gently mix. Now set your dry ingredients aside. Okay, now add your lemon pulp into the milk. Now let's start with our wet ingredients. Take your bananas and you don't have to mush them, but just break them apart into 3 or 2 pieces. Do this for all 3. So here I broke them into about 1-inch pieces. And I'm just gonna give this a beat on medium for only 1.5 minutes. So if you like those little banana lumps in your banana bread, you can stop once it's just a bit, but I personally do not, so I'm gonna go a little bit more. Now, this is how lumpy I want my banana bread, not too much. I'm gonna now add your eggs. Mix and beat at medium speed, then go to high for 2 minutes. It's all done. As you can see, there are little bubbles in there, and that's what you want. Now add your milk, oil, and vanilla extract. With your vanilla extract, the recipe, what we said was 1 teaspoon, but feel free to go more. Now put this in and scoop out what's at the bottom of the bowl. You can get this at Amazon or Whole Foods. You can directly start this at high. So now the wet ingredients are all mixed and ready, and so are the dry. Now gently pour the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Give this a fold. Okay, so now I'm all done folding and I'm going to prep my trays. I'm going to make 1 loaf pan and 6 cupcakes. Just a warning, when you make cupcakes, they're not as moist as the loaf bread, but still good. Preheat your oven to 355 degrees. Now I'm greasing my muffin pans and my now for my muffin pans, I'm using a 1/4 cup measure for each of them. Now I have a filled muffin tray and I'm going to add the chopped or crushed walnuts. So I'm going to bake the muffins for about 20 minutes and the loaf pan for about an hour. So now the muffins are done and I'm telling you it smells delicious. Now I'm still going to wait for the loaf bread and then you can cut into it. And now the loaf is out of the oven, it's all done. And there's our final product. As you can see, this is very moist from the air bubbles. So this is the cupcake. The air bubbles indicate that it rose beautifully, and let me tell you, it smells and tastes delicious. And the loaf also came out very well. Thank you for watching, and remember to comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the video. Hope you enjoy this recipe of banana bread from Mom and Me Kitchen. See you next time on Mom and Me.